The human drive to reproduce begins in the body's biological foundations, and nowhere is this clearer than in the relationship between hormones, neural reward systems, and sexual maturation. Puberty initiates cascading hormonal changes, primarily involving testosterone, estrogen, luteinizing hormone, and follicle-stimulating hormone, which awaken the body's reproductive capacities. These hormonal shifts do more than prepare the body physically. They prime the brain's dopaminergic and oxytocinergic pathways, systems deeply tied to desire, bonding, and pleasure. As these neurochemical networks activate, the individual's developing identity begins to integrate sexuality, linking internal changes with external motivations. In this causal triad, the dependencies flow in one direction. Without hormonal activation, the neurochemical priming cannot fully take hold, and without that priming, sexual maturation, both physiological and psychological, remains incomplete. This structure explains why conditions such as hypergonadism, extreme malnutrition, or disruptions of circadian timing can profoundly suppress libido and reproductive intent. When the body fails to initiate its endocrine signaling, the brain's capacity to generate sexual motivation remains muted. Conversely, when the cascade unfolds naturally, it strengthens the feedback between bodily readiness and cognitive awareness, creating a sense of alignment between desire, identity, and potential reproduction. These processes illustrate why individual variation in biology leads to profound diversity in procreative motivation. Genetic factors, stress exposure, nutrition, and even sleep cycles all modulate hormonal outputs, which in turn affect neurochemical sensitivity and the emergence of desire. Importantly, this triad shows how sexual motivation does not arise from choice in isolation, but from an orchestrated sequence of physiological triggers. Where these systems work in synchrony, reproductive urges tend to emerge naturally. When disrupted, desire is often diminished or delayed. This causal dependency demonstrates how deeply rooted the decision to procreate is in neuroendocrine integration. The body creates the stage on which later social, emotional, and cultural influences play out.